Welcome to Daily Insights. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Today's topic, titled Embracing Gratitude, Transforming Lives, One Thankful Heart at a Time. This topic was given to me by my niece, Dee Dee Thompson. I want to begin by asking you a question about a topic that is profoundly simple and compelling: gratitude. Have you ever paused to consider what gratitude truly means in your life? Imagine waking up each day and being thankful for the mere fact that you have another day to live, to love, and to learn. Gratitude isn't just saying thank you, though that is very important. Gratitude is a way of seeing the world, appreciating the good amidst the challenges, and recognizing the extraordinary in the ordinary. Some of you might ask, why should we practice gratitude? My response to you is that gratitude has the power to transform. Gratitude shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have. It turns denial into acceptance, chaos to order, and confusion into clarity. Yes, gratitude can turn a meal into a feast, a house into a home, a stranger into a friend. Yes, we must observe gratitude in our life. I can't help but wonder, how often do we take the time to feel grateful? In our busy lives, and we do have busy lives, it is easy to overlook the countless blessings surrounding us: the warmth of the sun, the smile of a child, the comfort of a home, the freedom to express ourselves. Aren't these worth our gratitude? None of these are guaranteed to us, yet we have them. Yes, these are worth our gratitude. I ask you to reflect deeply for a moment. When was the last time you felt truly grateful for something in your life? So much that it moved you to tears. This deep, heartfelt gratitude, do you allow it to surface often enough? I want to urge you to let's not wait for Thanksgiving, for Christmas to express your gratitude, for birthdays, for special moments. Let's make it a daily practice. Start with small things. Say thank you to a friend for their support. Give them their flower. Appreciate the beauty of a sunset and acknowledge your progress and achievements. And now I ask you, I ask you again, what are you grateful for today? How can you express this gratitude and spread its warmth to those around you? Nothing that we have should be taken for granted. Gratitude is a must. Gratitude is contagious. When we express it, we uplift ourselves and those around us. So let us pledge to live a gratitude filled life, making each day a little bit brighter for ourselves and others. Until next time, and daily insights, blessings always.
A collision with purpose, in pursuit of purpose.